Hello, welcome back. This is Pakistan Excel English School, and today we are going to learn how we could write on the board. So, if you just entered the class, you will not be able to write on the board. Only the teacher will be able to do that. But if the teacher wants you to write or wants some students to write, this is how you do it. First, you have to wait for the teacher to make you able to write on the board. So let's wait for the teacher. Okay, so we waited for the teacher, and the first thing we noticed is this toolbar. So let's get to know what is this toolbar about, shall we? So first we need to know what are these about. You need to start with the pencil. The pencil allows you to draw on the board however you like. So you could draw your answer if you would like. If you don't like what you did, you can always clear. You can change the color of your pencil and the size. If you don't like what you did, again, you can always clear. The next thing is the rectangle, triangle, and ellipse, or the circle one. It allows you to draw these shapes wherever you want by swiping. If you don't like your answer or you changed your mind, you can always delete or go back, undo. Again, you can change the size and the color. Same goes for the triangle, the circle, or if you didn't like any of that, you can just draw a line. Okay, if you would like to write an answer using your keyboard, you could always go to the last option, text. You click on it, you choose the color of your text and the size of your text. Next, you draw a box and write your answer with your keyboard. And done. Now you wrote on the board so that the teacher and the students are able to see your answer. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet?
Now that we learned how we could write on the board on a computer, let's see how we could do that on a phone or a tablet. First, you will have to wait for the teacher to make you able to write on the board. So let's wait for the teacher. Okay, so now the teacher made you so you are able to write on the board. Same thing you will see everywhere. So again, you can have the pencil and you can draw your answer with your finger. If you don't like what you did, you could always erase or undo. Let's say you want to write a text, so you choose a text, and then you draw a box and you write your answer, hello, for example. Once you're done, you click on backspace. Done. So now everyone could see your message or your writing hello.
I'm going to teach you how you could answer the poll that the teacher have put out. So you will notice it at the end of your screen here if there is a question that the teacher has put out. For example, the teacher is asking about question number 1, plastic is. All what the student has to do is answer whether it is magnetic or non-magnetic by clicking. Once he does that, it will appear on the teacher that this boy has answered. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet?
So the way to do this from your phone is by just waiting. If the teacher starts asking plastic is and she releases a poll, you will just see it in front of you on the board. So the student has to choose the correct answer.